So we got another trip to the Herm, but this time we got something a little bit different. And today we even got a special guest. And we have Kelsey. Hello. Thank you so much. GMC Sierra AT4 K2. I have absolutely no idea what the K2 means, but this is bigger than hell, I'll tell you that.
Camera to record stuff because he wants to vlog, and now he's asking for it back. But I have cool ideas. I don't know what he's talking about.
My feet are gonna be cold later. Alright, let's see here. This is an absolute shock. So, the GMC Rocky Ridge. 76 grand, what do you get? Big lifted truck.
Shitty speakers. The GMC Sierra Rocky Ridge. $76,000 truck. What do you get?
Power tailgate. Lifted truck from the factory. Couple other standard ins and outs for the 21st century trucks. So, it's an expensive truck.
It had that cool charger where you just set your phone down on the console.
It does.
To charge it.
It does have wireless charging. GMC Sierra. Would you buy one? Or would you go with an F-150, Tacoma, Dodge? Let me know what you think. Chevy Silverado. Also, go over, check me out on Instagram. I post all my car stuff daily. You can see the cars that I do beforehand and a little behind the scenes stuff. So go over, check me out over on Instagram. Also, go over, check out one of my last vlogs. You may see something that you like. A lot of different cool cars on there. I'll see you next week for another cool car we got. See ya.